And this is Ice Jeep. Wow, look at it. Oh, oh, that's what makes it. Ganda, ganda. It's nice. No, this is the first time I said.
Oh, kaya pala naman.
May, can I take a look inside? How is it?
Yeah.
Wow, the seat. You
It's
customize the
leather.
seat,
Yeah, if I
the
see
color.
choose the color, you choose,
You
well, the color,
customize,
there's only two colors, and
and you
this
just.
one and another, a white one, and we don't want the white one.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah. And you can remove everything.
Wow. How about the back seat?
Tingnan mo to. It comes in.
Wow, fully loaded. He fully loaded again, same as your.
That's what I told you.
I know. Yung running board na ano,
That is an extra.
when you,
Yeah, it disappears.
uh, like some of the oh wow. Oh, I should do it again, hi, and take a video of it. Wait, come on, do it again. I didn't catch it in my video. See? The running board. Oh. Mm. Wow. So nice. And I like the color too.
I wanted the darker green.
And there's Olivia. And that's Mike's truck. Jenny's car. Jimbo's truck. And Rob's Jeep. Rob's boat. And was, kaninong Raptor yun? Raptor. Rob? Hmm.
Kick it, kick it, kick it, kick it. Bring her in. Go for it.
Look, inside! Inside!
Let's check Jen's car. Garden. Yeah. Let's see what you got here. What you got? Tomato. This is tomato. And this is what? I don't know. What's this? And this one, I don't know either. And this one, it's kind of like, oh, cucumber. Now it's mm, with some pechay. Wow, it's not pipino, it's not cucumber. It's zucchini. Oh, there's a goat. There's a goat. There's a goat. Wait, let me put this inside my car. Ano ito, Mon? Ay, suka. Eh, yung crab, hindi nagpadala? Hindi nagpadala ng crab? Ba't ako ganyan ka? Parang hindi, parang kala ko panatang makabayan.
Kaya lalayo ko para mo.
Patayin ko naman ako.
Ano?
Numerin ako doon.
Hindi.
Hindi yan eh.
Ah. Ah. Dapat ganito para ay mas malaki screen na sa'yo. Okay. Teka, saan ang kukuhanan dito?
That's his new truck. He's got to use
Yeah.
pictures for his truck.
Saan pinipindot dito?
Wala, video nga yan eh.
Ah, video ba? Hindi mo sinabi. Video pala to eh.
May pinindot ka?
Ano, din.
Okay.
Okay.
Did it take a picture?
Oh, the video.
Here, Mo.
Oh. Oh,
I say give it to the wife.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Ano ginawa? Ano ginawa? And here's our crab, take home crab. Wait. You don't want to take it home? Okay. Here's one more tub. Here's one more tub. I remember. It felt kind of empty cup.
Ano mo pa ako sa
Oo.
trabaho mo.
Nakakalimutan ko.
Wala mga picture niya sa ay.
Ha?
Truck niya. Sige. Picture ako sa truck niya. Pag ganun.
Man, it's hot.
Pag ganyan?
Oo. Yung buo niya, buong truck niya.
Okay. Pinitin ko lang itong pula, no? Ay, bilog.
Get inside the house, it's cooler.
Come on. Nakabukas yan?
Dapat buo ah.
Picture tayo.
Oh. One more, one more. One more.
Yan, come here.
Kayong dalawa, dali. Bilis. Alright, ready. 1, 2. Okay. Alright.
It's just like yeah. Yeah. So you'll see some
How much car is this?
you'll see some Jeeps that had like a lock.
But what is that for? I thought it to prevent it from being people going stolen.
No, it's just I don't know. It's just like a remember like if you're driving a Jeep, you have the Jeep wave if you pass, or like a Harley or a Subaru.
Yeah.
They have a Jeep wave.
What? I only got one lid.
Huh?
That's my
It's like
This is a good one. Now.
no, dalawang motorcycle, yeah. Tapos yung kaya nga binili ko yung ano, yung
Kulay
truck.
blue.
Yeah. Kasi nga kung hindi
That's Ford, right?
yeah, that's Ford. Yeah.
Is it still working that
Yeah.
way?
Binili ko para kay Julian. So, pag nag-drive, gusto mo ipa.
Pero yung sa kanya Julian, yung parang
Pula.
ano,
Yeah, kasi yung sinabi
Chevy.
yun nangyari.
Chevy. Ano yung kanya? Chevy
Chevy Sonic.
Sonic?
Sabi kasi yung umilaw yung
Check engine?
no, it's like the overdrive.
Overdrive?
The
Oh.
overdrive, so it's like, and yung nanay niya, it's like, I have to fix it. Like, sabi ko, like, I paid $2,500. Like, this truck is $7,000 in the market.
Oh.
I got it for him for like $2,000, you know, because tapos sabi ko, ano, ako bibili sa kanya. Sabi ko, bayaran mo lang ako, yung hati tayo. Tapos sabi niya, okay, so pag siya bumili, hati daw. Tapos hindi ko sinabi yes. Tapos kinabukasan binili niya. Tapos sinabi niya, sinisingan niya ako. Sabi ko, that wasn't it. He didn't help me pay for that.
You guys crazy. So is he paying for it or by himself?
Julian still work? Oh.
Sa beach ngayon.
But it no longer work?
Sa trabaho?
Yeah,
No.
nagtatrabaho siya sa ano.
Before, he works in Giant, right?
No, sa ano na siya ngayon sa physical therapy office.
Yeah, I remember. He told me when he dropped me to
May
the
mga
airport.
physical therapy na
Meron ang libro pala yung binibigay sa ni Charles kay ano,
Kay,
yung anatomy.
kanino?
May librong binibigay si
Oh, yeah.
Charles.
Sabi mo.
I forget.
Saan ba sa Rockville? Okay,
Okay.
bisitahin kita minsan.
I keep forgetting. I was like, should be doing that.
Yeah.
Hindi mo mabigat drive, ay. Hindi mabigat i-drive.
Ako naman na kayo.
Ah?
No,
Ando ka sa likod?
just getting my phone.
Likod. Anong mas maganda, Durango o ito? Ito. Di ba mabigat yung Durango mo dati?
Oo, yeah, mabigat.
Wala na yun, di ba?
ito mahaba. This is the problem with this thing is it says that you are going 70, but it feels like you are going 25.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
It doesn't feel
That's
like
you,
fast.
Tita. I don't think it's a truck.
No, it
You
is.
feel like
It's
only
Mabagal,
25,
kahit-
but
yeah, kahit
so
na
it's
mabilis ka.
to 70 already.
Yeah. It looks nice.
you want to see it?
Yeah, I like the
Diba
color too, and the design.
Si, ano rin, si Ayan, ganyan din.
Oh, but I think there This is white.
Siya soft top ang kanya.
is soft white, right?
Ano ba?
And
This
it's white.
is
Ah?
a Rubicon.
Rubicon. Oh,
Nasa
sa
kanya
kanyang-
gladiator.
Oh, gladiator.
Ito gladiator dito, di ba?
Yung gladiator Rubicon.
Rubicon.
But it is good because it has very good AC.
Oh, shoot. Hold on.
Inaantay ko na lang ang snack.
Oh, what?
Eh, meron daw. May dessert daw eh.
Oh, my...
Yung cake.
oh yeah.
So,
I'm just kidding.
Michael got this from the cards in Rockville?
Di ba?
Huh? This one?
Huh?
No, that was ordered.
Special order.
Yeah,
order.
this is it
Yeah.
took a long time, almost a year, right?
Yeah. Well, yeah, like yung...
And I saw there's a
Kinausap po kayo, di ba?
winch in the front for towing.
The winch is for like, you know, if you are going
Pulling.
to be stuck, so
Yeah, you
you
can
can
pull,
pull.
Sa, ano,
yeah.
sa harapan. But yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Pag nagmudding ka.
Nag-off-roading kayo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
off-roading, yeah.
So, but this is
It's very powerful.
This
That is
is
It's only
one.
this
V6.
is, you know how much this costs?
70.
No, that's all together because this did not come with that power thingy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It did not
The
come with that.
sideboard,
It did
That
not
side.
come with the
the
winch.
sideboard,
Uh-huh.
the wings.
The
Yeah.
running board.
120.
There you go. Most probably a little bit more because even
Someday.
the cover.
Someday.
Someday.
Mayaman mo naman.
Oh, sabi ko nga sa'yo,
Mayaman ko naman.
Baka naman.
Ah, tita, ang yaman mo naman.
Baka naman.
So mad at him because he acted like he's rich, you know, when we went there, right, to get that. He was trying to, you know, the financing.
Yeah.
Then he finds out kung magkano kalaki yung kanyang babayarang interest,
For
right?
every...
No, nagbayad siya at
So,
least 3
pay
years
cash?
na siya 3 years na nag-finance.
Ilan sa inyo
Tapos
dito?
binayaran
3
niya.
years, I mean 3 months.
Yeah,
No,
Yeah.
nakita na.
Oh, yeah.
Full na.
Binayaran niya
Binayaran
na
na.
buo.
Oh, that's better. If you have the money, you just can buy cash. It's better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you calculate the
Yeah, but that's
The
what I
interest.
told them.
interest,
Because you're probably gonna pay, what, 50,000 plus?
Yes, the interest
yeah.
is like, what they call it? It's like,
May mga rules sometimes kung
yeah,
6
sometimes I
point
do that
something.
Depend
when I
on-
got something,
Yeah.
point
I
something, and they're using my credit record, my credit score, because I have, that's why that name on that is mine first. Because I have better credit
Very cool.
record.
Very cool.
no, mas malaki yung kila tita.
Naalala?
Sabi niya speedboat daw yun.
No.
Bangka lang na may
Sa
motor.
Miami Vice. Miami Vice.
So, gusto niyo ng coffee?
Eh, I do.
yeah, we do.
Tita, you want rice? You want to try rice? The mushroom coffee?
Oh, rice? Mushroom?
What?
I'll try it.
What? What's the name? Mushroom?
Rice.
Rice coffee?
Coffee. No, RYZE. Pero
R-Y-C-E.
it's made of mushroom.
Mushroom?
Pero tama ko ba? Pinapagulo pa eh. It's like, okay. It's made out of mushroom, pero tatawagan natin rice.
Come on.
You know what? Don't let the dog know that you are scared because
No, it's alright. She's all part.
Just,
she's just barking.
Yeah.
it's nothing.
Yeah,
Takot mo. Takot ka.
just like yours.
Dulce, stop, Dulce.
But it's not
Dulce.
model and then. Oh,
Take the hot water. Because it's
Takot na takot.
no
Go see. This is JM.
That dog did yeah.
Come on. You gotta go put you in the crate if you're gonna be like that. Come here. Go in the crate.
Oh, I know.
Dulcie, go in the crate.
Are you still scared of dogs?
Dulcie, come.
It's a rat.
Can you please close this up and Dulcie, come. Inside, please. Come on. If you bark, you're gonna go in the crate. Stay.
Where are you going? No. Oh, just for that. You guys are gonna become polite.
Hindi kasi yung aso, pag nalalaan na siya,
Tawagin mo
lalo
si
kanila.
Zach.